Hello everybody, and how have you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel One to Step. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Santander Bank's online banking account through its Santander Bank app. Now you can easily download it from your Play Store or App Store and open it just like this. After you open it, this is going to be your interface. Now before moving forward from over here, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now, to log in into your Santander Bank's online banking account through its app, first step you need to enter your document number. And if you don't want to enter through your document number, you can click on this line over here pointing down, and you can choose other method like your passport or like your CIF or like your NIE or your NIF or like your user ID. You can choose whichever ID you want to enter and enter the information according to the one you chose, and then enter the password of your account over here. After you enter the password of your account over here, what you want to do is click on enter. And if the user ID and the password enter over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your Santander Bank's online banking account through its app. Now for a reason you forgot the password of your account, you can click on recover your password, and it's going to help you recover your Santander Bank's online banking account's password as well. Alright, you can even recover it if you forgot it. And if you guys want to check out its more information, you can click on this tree line at the top right corner of your screen. It's going to show you other information like help you recover your passport and help you get your keys as well. And it also helps you find Santander Bank's ATM near you. And if you guys have not yet signed up into it, you can become a customer as well. And if you want a card, you can call them and get yourself a card as well. You can check out their other products as well as you can go to their mobile web as well. And you can discover some tips as well over here. So that's basically how you guys can use the app of Santander Bank. If you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. See you guys next time. Bye bye.